Wena Junior uyibona njani again? Yeah, first of all ithi ngiqale ngibulise wena Nkululeko my brother. Khona enye ingwenye ethi Junior wayo ungasasho Nkululeko my brother yini kuyaliwa na cha. Nkululeko my brother islogan sala. Shukuthi uma brother ngeke ngimiyeke. Islogan sami even edladleni bangasi. Yeah, ngisho ifamily yami incosi yami ngibiza ngoma brother. Even my daughter I call her my brother. Kusho ukuthi nje my brother into engeke ngiyeke uma brother. Even flow yami uma brother noma mezala wami uma brother kusho ukuthi nje Nkululeko bayasi uma brother I don't care who says what. Yeah, Nkululeko my brother and also Drizzy Justin now it's all Vilakazi this number bafethu keep supporting Diski TV, won't disappoint honestly, fighting no one. Nkululeko my brother very disappointed ngale noise bafethu very disappointed ngale noise ekhala la kusho ukuthi le noise empukane yeah kunempukane ekhona la my brother kusho ukuthi ine fluid ngihlezi ngeringa ngefluid omunye umuntu aka understand ukuthi ine fluid nayo lempukane kusho ukuthi ine fluid isebenza ngayo i department ifluid kusho ukuthi ihamba ngayo le fluid njengoba isifika la iya overlap my brother kusho ukuthi nje into engayincoma ngayo i-consistency bengathi my brother Orlando Pirates uma ingathatha i-consistency idlala ibhola elimnandi vandag but i-consistency my brother kusho ukuthi ingafunda kakhulu lempukane kusho ukuthi njengoba manje iyasihlupha and i-consistent ne-confident yayo i-reality my brother kusho ukuthi ine individual brilliant lempukane ngoba bayibona ukuthi i1 and is busy is pound to pound i-reality Nkululeko and iyenzela individual brilliant iyawina ngayo ya my brother ngathi nje Orlando Pirates ingafunda kakhulu lempukane akuningi ngizokusho namhlanje my brother because of the noise very disappointed my brother I don't care who says what but yeah very disappointed ngale mpukane.